All right. Welcome to the Chop It Up Kitchen where we're chopping up food and conversation. That's right, Dr. Sebi style. Give me a minute, and as always, we about to get up in it. All right. Welcome back to the show. We got something good for you today. For y'all that's trying to get more raw veggies into your diet, I got something for you, baby. That's right, got something for you. I got a cilantro lime dressing that I'm finna hook up for y'all. But before we get off into this, you know I need you to do one thing. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe button, share. Make sure you keep this going on the Chop It Up Kitchen. I'm loving the support we getting. I'm loving it. So give me the comments. Tell me what you don't like, what you do like, how I can improve the show. But as always, we about to take it and get right up into it. So without further ado, this one's for you.
We have 1 jalapeno diced and seeded, 1/3 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1/2 cup of cilantro, 1/3 cup of agave, and 1/2 cup of olive oil.
All right, let's go ahead and get this hooked up. First, we want to start off with the jalapenos. Like I said, you want to get all the seeds out of it because you don't want it really hot. This is just to give it a little spice, but not that much spice. So you're going to go ahead and put them jalapenos in there. And you got the ginger, fresh ginger, diced up. Put them in there. We're going to go ahead and put them gingers in there. And we're going to go ahead and mince it up or chop it a little bit in the food processor. Get that going. Just pulse it a little bit. All right. While we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and take that off there. It's nice and minced. We're going to put this lime juice in there. Like I say, this is about 1/3 of lime juice. Get that in there. Get that all blended up. It's a pretty simple recipe, pretty simple. And it's really good, man. You can put it on just about anything. It's pretty good. Straight alkaline, too. We got that blended up in there. So while that's doing that, we're gonna go ahead and put of course, the cilantro in. This is about, I say a good bushel in your handful, about 1/2 cup or whatever. We're gonna go ahead and get that cilantro in there. And of course, you can't have a salad without olive oil. And this is about 1/2 cup of olive oil. We want to go ahead and put 1/2 cup of olive oil in there. On in there, olive oil. We ain't playing around with you. Yeah, you know, while you're cooking, you got to have some fun. Look on life a little bit better in these trying times, you know. It's crazy out here, people. Take care of your family. Take care of yourself. So what you want to do, and this is the way that you take care of your family. Your health is your wealth, baby. All right, we're going to go ahead and pour it in there, get it going. Mix. Right. Okay. Now you want to definitely, so if it's not as, you know, as you like, you can always add a little more. But like I say, like my mama always say, like my grandma always say, just giving you a guideline, boy, a guideline. So it's 1/2 cup of olive oil, but if it needs a little bit more, play around with the measure, but I'm just giving you a guideline. And of course, we want to put a 4th cup of agave, your little sweetener in there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this agave up in there. Go on in there, man. Stop playing around with me. Stop playing around with me. Yeah, it's tough being a lefty. I'm a left-handed person, so I use my right hand as often as I would like. But, all right. Left-handed but right-minded thinking, all right? Okay, all right, let's get that blended up. Oh yeah, just like my granny would tell me, boy, just like butter, baby, just like butter. About a half a teaspoon of sea salt, but you can season the taste. Somebody gonna say, well, how you know that's a half a sea salt teaspoon? My grandma used to look at it with her eye and tell me, that's it, boy. Like I say, this is a real simple recipe. If you want to incorporate raw into your diet, this is a good way, starting off with salads, starting off with just hooking it up really raw, Sebi style. Everything we do on this channel is Dr. Sebi approved. You see everything I use and nothing processed or anything like that, strictly off the nutritional guide. So the salad dressing is all done. We're gonna go ahead and jar this up. Let me put some of this stuff to the side. Okay. On in there. Put on in there. And we're gonna go ahead and take it out the processor. We're gonna jar it up. Okay. So you give me a minute, stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and get this jarred up, and then we're gonna come back and do grand finale. Oh yeah, the taste test. All right, we got the cilantro dressing ready to go. Go ahead and put a little on there. And then salad. Had the salad already chilled too. Okay, ain't nothing left, baby, but the grand finale. You know the grand finale, and as always, your health is your wealth, baby. All right, let me get a little mixture of this, okay? Sweet, lime, just right, baby. Just like butter, baby. As always, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side.